Hi, everybody. My name is Alexandra Lantz, or you can call me Alex. This is my introductory video. So we'll just go right into it. A little bit about me. I'm a first grade teacher. This is my 4th year teaching. So I did 1 year teaching kindergarten, and this is my 3rd year teaching first grade, and I teach in the Central Dauphin School District. This is a picture of my classroom this year. A little more about me. I graduated from Penn State with my undergrad in 2016 with a degree in early childhood education and a minor in special education. I love Penn State, love the Nittany Lions. And a couple more fun facts about me. I love horseback riding. This is my horse, Goliath. We call him the gentle giant because he's huge, but he's very sweet. I'm a dance teacher. I've danced my whole life. I love dance, so now I teach dance after school. And another fun fact is I just got engaged on Saturday. This is my fiance, Nick. So there we are. And that's all about me. I can't wait to get to know some of you.